So in between the micro build, I'm probably going to have to bring you other stuff while we're working on that and while we're waiting for the test and the actual event. Some of the other cars we got in the workshop at the moment is, we got this Subaru Impreza, 2003 or 2004 Impreza. It's on a private plate. This was previously owned by Sigala, the DJ, EDM. That's quite fitting for him. He rallied this. He didn't do any actual competition rallies, he just did a lot of testing and playing about in it. And it was orange with tiger stripes on it back then. We've changed the colour back to Subaru Blue. It's just had a fresh engine built by Andy Williams, really good engine guy, especially for Subarus. So we're just in the process of putting that back in. This does Goodwood most years, the Festival of Speed, as like a passenger car that we take VIPs around in. So this is quite a cool car. We could bring you some footage and some playing about with this if you want. Next car we got is the Renault 11 Turbo. You might have seen this in the background of some of Johnny Smith's Late Break Show episodes. This is the car. So it started off, we bought it as a bit of a project. It'd been sat in a barn for 20 odd years, and then we've done it up into a bit of a works replica. There is some ex-works parts on it. It's not a full factory works car, but there's some things that are very close to being that. So we could bring you some stuff about this. We're actually doing Haggerty Hill Climb on the 11th of May. By the time this goes out, we've probably done that. But I can bring you some footage from there maybe. Yeah, 1.4 turbo engine. Now, the car used to be red, hence why it's red in here. Our plan was to make sure the engine's all working before we pull it out and spray the engine bay. So that will be done at a later date, but we are at the moment making sure the engine's sorted. What else have we got? Let's have a look outside and see what else we got out there. Right, if you can guess what this is, it's a bit of a homologation special. I'm not going to bring it out completely, but I'm going to show you that much. If you can guess where it is, this is another project that we are planning to build. Right, we're in the process of doing this car barn up, so it's a little bit messy and it's unfinished, but we've got a few cars in here. First, we've got this Ford Racing Puma. This is a good friend of mine, Mike Chen, he owns this. Number 70. These are quite a rare car now. So maybe we could get some content about this. Sure, Mike will join us. It's fully caged, bit of a track car. Might be quite fun. Maybe we could go to Anglesey or something, have a play around in it. Who knows? Series 2 lightweight Land Rover, not mine. Can't rally that. We could have a go. Type RA Impreza, another friend of mine's. This, you might know about this. This is the Renault 5 from another of Johnny's videos, the Late Break Show videos. Renault 5 GT Turbo barn find. Now this is going to Ultimate Detailing next, and they're going to give it a detail basically, and then we're going to see then about restoring it. But we haven't got too many plans for it yet, so if anyone's got any ideas, it's definitely going to be restored in some way, some form or another, and it will be kept original. Capri, don't know if you can see that in there if it's too dark. That's John Newman's Capri. That's another project that we want to try and finish, maybe get some help with. Next to that we've got 205 Rally in Express Yellow, another quite a rare car. That one is a rally car actually. We could probably do a rally in that or do something with that. Maybe a Targa Rally, Night Rally, something. We could do something, definitely. And then in the corner there, that's a bit of a weird old car. That's a Citroen Xantia. It's got an MI16 engine in it. So if you want to see some of that, I don't think there'll be many people out there that will, but if you do, we could do something with that as well. One more bit to look at. Oh, Ian's 106 Rally. If you want us to thrash that around, I don't know if Ian will let us, but we could maybe do something with it. All original, 48,000 miles on the clock. He's had it since 1998, which is pretty original, that car. Needs a wash. Fiesta ST, that's one of ours as well. I have a problem, as you can see. GC8 Subaru, That was really good condition. I did explain briefly in the first video. If you want to see us do something with that, we need to do that. I need to do that anyway. Should we have a look inside the GC8? Biohazard GC8. Look at the mould on the steering wheel. Yeah, I'm sorry. I apologise to anyone who likes Subarus, what I've done to her. Even the sill's starting to go, I think. Oh no, that's just gunk. Right, I will do it. I've also got a Pioneer Dolphin stereo in there. Very rare, and period. There's another Renault 11 Turbo. That's probably savable, but I don't know if I'm going to save it. Maybe someone else wants to save it. Give me a shout. Subaru Impreza, that's a crash damaged customer's car. Now this is another Impreza that we got, and we could definitely do something with this. GC8, early one. It's even got the original ProDrive seats in this one, carbon Kevlar. So that's quite a rare piece. Yeah, this needs going through and getting up to scratch, so maybe there's a video in that, maybe. Nissan Micra K11, another one. This, yes, it looks sorry for itself at the moment, but you will see that in a show this year. Me and Chris behind the camera are taking that to the Festival of the Unexceptionable. So you will see that again, and it will be really tidy. That's Thomas, Ian's son, that's his rally car project. Not done anything yet, but that is something that he's going to build into a rally car, a bit like what we've done, but from scratch. So it's a total standard car, so that needs completely turning into a rally car, that one. That's it at the moment, but there is more stuff probably coming in and out because I'm addicted to Facebook Marketplace and eBay, so there will be something. There's a 106 GTI over there as well if anyone wants one of those. But yeah. Welcome to the junk room, or the museum, or whatever you want to call it. I'll show you around the museum while we're in here. It's not a junk room. A pair of Sebastian Ogier gloves, signed in Finland, 2014 I think that was. Subaru rally hat, Peter Solberg, Phil Mills, Chris Atkinson, Stefan Crevo maybe? I can't remember who he was with anyway. Famous WRC spoiler over here. Carlos Sainz, 1998, the famous helmet through the window incident. That's the spoiler off that. Sega Rally. Many a time on that as a child. This is Johnny's wheel from the Land's End trial we did. He stayed on it. That was the first selected, that was as well. Good old can collection. Subaru RB5 picture, which actually Chris the cameraman found that. This is about 5 miles down the road in Fairborn. Cool, that, isn't it? Can collection. Every rally fan's got some 143s as well. It's just one thing that everyone has to have. And then some of the stuff we sell in the cabinet here. Yeah. Thierry Neuville signed t-shirt. Thought that was quite a cool piece. I've also got a problem with buying 90s mountain bikes. Marin. So, Kona's the best one. Look at the Kona. McRae edition. Not crashed this one either. Rally Dog. This is Chip. This is his rally car build. He's a good egg. Quite a good driver as well. Like and subscribe, yeah?